Let's speak to our guest in the studio, Vice Marshal G.P. Sharma. He's the Vice President at Meteorology at SkyMet Weather Services. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. What has led to this unprecedented increase in temperatures right now?
See, the heat we see now is gradually building up. Actually, right from April onward, the heat is supposed to be there, but I will say that the weather god was very kind. That month of April was absolutely pleasant, I will put it. Even for most of the days in May also remained good, and it was only few spells which we experienced in the month of May. One was in the beginning, the other one was towards the end of May for a day or so. But then the heat has actually built up now since the last storm which we had over Delhi, that was on last Friday or so. The reason is that all these weather phenomena, they are controlled, the weather activity is by the western disturbance which we keep talking about. And the western disturbances, they were tracking far to the south so far, affecting Jammu Kashmir region and even the plains also. They have tracked now the last couple of days, they have well to the north, and that's how they are not affecting. And on the other hand, we have dry, hot, northwesterly, westerly winds coming in from Rajasthan region, which as such is burning, but more temperatures than even what we have in Delhi and CR, and that's how heat is building up.
Right. In fact, certain temperatures reaching up to 47. I know it's difficult, but there is a prediction system that you have in place. By when do you see the temperatures cooling off? Do you necessarily need the monsoons to hit?
Absolutely. For a short-term relief, maybe for a day or so, yes, that's possible with the dust storm or the thunderstorm activity which we have, and which we saw also last Friday also we saw over Delhi NCR, and other parts are also having, but that relief does not last long. It's only for maybe a couple of hours, because next day again mostly you expect clear skies in this season, in this month as such, over northern parts of India, which includes Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and even Gujarat also. So in the absence of any cloud cover, day temperatures they have to rise, they start soaring even after the dust storm or thunderstorm activity. And we expect this to last, because I don't see anything happening in the immediate future. For the next 2-3 days I don't foresee any relief for that matter, and the temperatures are going to be in 40s most of the locations.
Right, but there is some respite coming in, but I think it'll take some days to come, at least over a month. What we hear is that Kerala, the monsoon has reached Kerala. Rains have hit north and central parts of the state. The IMD has confirmed the arrival of the monsoons, but it is going to be weak for the next few days.
As of now, the monsoon has reached up to 12° north in the Arabian Sea. Conditions are congenial for further advancement of monsoon in next 48 hours.
The much awaited southwest monsoons have reached Kerala today, but the official announcement by the Met Department is expected around 11:30 a.m. But the sad news at this moment is that it is a weak monsoon as of now, and the officials do not expect any change in its course until June 10th. It's not just the agriculture sector and the farmers that are happy about the onset of monsoon, but the entire state is happy, as we depend a lot on the hydroelectric power.
But there is a worry, isn't it, sir, as far as the predictions are concerned? They are saying that the monsoons are going to be less than normal this time around. What does it mean?
Basically below normal rainfall, as has been predicted. It's on account of the El Nino, which is very famous. It's a very, rather I will call it as an infamous thing. It's a global phenomena which is linked with adverse weather activities over the Indian subcontinent, even the parts of Southeast Asia, Australia. It's a global thing, affects globally. But as far as the Indian monsoons are concerned, it goes beyond doubt that whenever El Nino is around, the rainfall is below normal. It has never been in excess, it has never been even close to a normal except one odd year, but then most of the time you can take it as granted when El Nino is around, it's going to be below normal. And this time, as the predictions SkyMet has made, that it's going to be about 94% of the long period average rainfall.
Okay.
But my fear is even at some of the pockets probably we'll see lower figures, even below 94%. As we say that northwest India and the west central India, which includes Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and northern parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, they will probably be worst affected.
Right, so some of the
this
states will
monsoon.
need to drop a contingency plan should there be drought in certain areas.
Absolutely, absolutely. You see, we normally in meteorological term we call it as any deficiency of 10% or more in the rainfall, it amounts to the drought conditions. And as we said, as of now, since it is 6% below normal, but nothing stops this phenomena to take some more adverse turn, and then in some pockets having deficiency to that order also for
Right.
10% or more.
Right, that's certainly bad news. One final question: as far as the rainfall is concerned, the monsoons have hit Kerala coast. By the time it cools down North India or reaches areas like Rajasthan, it'll take about a month. What are your predictions as far as?
Oh yes, as far as Kerala is concerned, SkyMet is monitoring very closely. To tell you, SkyMet has installed almost about 100 weather stations in Kerala itself, which work 24/7, getting data. And then, as for our information, we have having rains there for the last couple of days, and that's how SkyMet had said even a week earlier itself that it seems the monsoon has already arrived over Kerala. But official announcement by the IMD has been made today, and the rainfall activity is commencing. It's already there now, and my fear is actually this rainfall activity is going to go down there. In the next couple of days you will find the rains will not sustain.
Okay.
They will go down, and this is on account of one monsoon system which is coming up in the close proximity in the Arabian Sea. Okay. Now, as far as the rains in the north is concerned, obviously the long-term relief from the heat which we want, that will only be on and around the monsoon when it comes, and for the normal date over Delhi is 29th of June, and to cover further parts of Rajasthan it is sometime between 10th and 15th of July itself.
Right.
And Delhi margin of plus minus 4-5 days that should be granted from the normal dates, and we expect that it should be around that time over Delhi.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us. So certainly bad news as far as the monsoons too are concerned. With that